Hello and welcome to Team Knowledge channel, and in this short video we are going to fix Fortnite crashing issue, errors and also lag and FPS drop issue in Windows 10. So before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start a video without wasting any time. So to fix these problems, first of all you just need to go to start menu and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.